bicycles. I mean, if we don't have enough cop cars, probably. We can convince the mayor we need bikes.
How you doing, sir?
Bikes.
Hello. So what's going on, gentlemen?
Oh, we're not sitting? All right. Okay. So I have a situation, and I don't know if I'm conflicted or not. But regardless, right? This is why I want to talk to you alone. But apparently, the captains want to speak to you about some other shit. The thing that we all have in common right now are two situations. Crane, I got a question for you. If I walk into a repair shop and say I am the manager at this repair shop, right? I self-claim that I'm a manager of this repair shop, right? But the repair shop is state-owned. I can't sue on behalf of the state-owned repair shop, correct?
I think we should talk about that without the cops here, Ramee.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the next thing then. Defamation. Can we? Is there any way we can get like some more in-depth legislation?
I think we should talk about that without the police here, Ramee.
Hey, part 2. 3.
So, Corinne, I have a question. It's about defamation.
Okay.
How does defamation work in this town?
Well, if you say something about someone that is provably false, that would be slander, or if you write it, it's libel. If it causes them injury, whether to their reputation,
I don't understand. I'm confused.
Or some way they can show a financial hit, then perhaps they could sue you.
She.
I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't paying attention because I was shocked about what just occurred. Can you run that back again?
You won't pay attention?
Yeah, just run that back again, Crane.
If a statement is made that is provably false about another person publicly, and that statement can cause injury to the person's income or some other way they can show an injury, then the person could be sued for defamation.
So you would say it's clear cut?
Provably false.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Third question. This appeal. Have you guys figured anything out on that appeal that had to do with me and Bass? I mean, sorry,
yeah, Norman
Leo.
Adams is going to be dealing with it. You're so dumb.
I'm
Norman
sorry,
Adams is going to be dealing
bro.
with it, and he is going to be. I think his indication,
it's like ingrained in my brain that it's Bass.
Was that he's thinking about vacating his verdict and instituting a new law potentially that would cover what happened in your case better than the available penal code.
Oh, really? So it'd be
look at that! Look at that, Ramee.
It'd be a new charge.
Correct.
Making new laws.
You know, that's what what can I say? You know, I'm out here. You know, I'm really out here running EMS over and shit. You know,
but in terms of in terms of the whole repair shops and defamation, all that,
I'll talk to you alone.
I need to speak to you about that privately.
Yeah, I got you.
I mean, we can step aside if you guys want to.
I don't want to keep you here. Wait, you guys have to talk to him about something else, right?
Yeah, I want to ask
get your stuff out of the way.
I mean, I don't care if Ramee's here. This is just more laws and just kind of picking your brain as far as DOJ. This might be a new territory we're encroaching on, but we've been getting reports of, drugs, narcotics, weapons, books, tied to evidence.
Oh yeah, the Harry
being placed in private property where, you have the owner maybe not present or sleeping inside the house, but, you have marijuana plants in the backyard.
He's talking about the Mr. K
question.
So my thought process: if you have marijuana in your backyard, does that constitute constructive possession of said marijuana because you're the owner of the land, you're responsible for what's on your property? Or it's one of those cases where it needs to be investigated more. And
you might be able to make an argument if it was like a very long period of time and you could prove that the person had been like awakened in the city. So for example, if you document the plants being in my front yard, and then you document,
I a tweet
the
going
next
out like 10 minutes
3
later.
to 5 days of me tweeting or, attending meetings or whatever, then you might be able to argue that I am then a willing participant in those plans being there because I haven't done anything about them and I should know they're illegal. But just discovering them on someone's land is not enough because otherwise, I could just decide I don't like Turner and then go plant weed on his property.
Right. Okay. That's actually a okay.
Okay. And then what about if, let's say, I get a fella who walks around, the hospital, and then for some reason he gets an altercation. He stabs somebody.
Someone's phone ringing, or am I going crazy?
I don't hear it. That's the problem. I do apologize.
I don't hear mine either. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus.
So, let's say this fella stabs somebody, right, at the hospital. I arrest him for assault with deadly weapon. Upon search and seizure, I find 60 bags of marijuana.
Well, I mean that's probable cause. That's fine.
Is that probable cause enough to just go kick down the door, or do I need to?
I mean, that's more weed than I've seen anyone with, so it'd probably be a good start. I don't even think I've seen a weed case.
I see.
I will be honest with you.
I'll
be real. I'll be hold on. The bags of the weed. The manufacturer. Listen, guys. I got my ears on the streets. All right.
The 10 gram.
They changed. It changes now.
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead, Leo.
The 10 grams now.
It seemed like they're playing a trick on us. They're mislabeling the bags. For some reason, they're labeling 500 grams for each weed bag when it's supposed to be 10 grams when weighed down at the station.
Okay, so 10 grams is 60 bags. It's still 600 grams.
So I'll tell you right now that hey guys, I'll be honest here. I got my ears on the streets. It changed again, Leo.
What?
Marijuana bags. It's like
what and when?
I think it's like 13 plants now equate to the 100 and change grams that's on the legislation, the penal code.
I see.
Well, there is no.
It's 11 now. It's 11 now.
There is no legal amount.
Yeah, there's anything. But there's marijuana is not legal. If you have marijuana, it's a misdemeanor.
No, it says in the penal code. It says if it's over 100.
It's for a felony.
Yeah, it's for felony. So
misdemeanor is.
Yeah, possession of marijuana is ounces or under 113 grams.
Exactly, under.
Yeah, any amount.
So it's basically from 1 to 113.
Right. So if you have marijuana at all, it's illegal.
Right.
Correct. That's what we're saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm agreeing with you. I'm not...
Okay.
I think what what Flex is asking is essentially, in the DOJ's eyes, is somebody found with 60 bags sufficient to get enough?
I mean, it's 6 times the felony amount, so yeah, I'd probably sign a search.
I'm just trying to see where the bar is at because I don't want my cops to be raid happy, if that makes any sense. Right. Where it just you see something, okay, let's go raid their property. I would like to see a bit of a for me, it's based on quantity, it's based on pattern.
Well, it sounds like you guys should internally decide when you think a case is severe enough and then bring it.
I see. Okay. All right. I was trying to pick your brain, see exactly how you feel about things. Because
I mean, if you came to me and said, most of the time we catch people with, a couple baggies here and there, or joints or whatever, personal use, blah blah blah. But this guy, he just stabbed someone at the hospital and he had 6 times the felony amount on him. So he's probably growing it or got more in his apartment. I'd say, okay, sure.
Well, that's good to know. I'm just making sure that I'm just not going too overboard, or I'm not coming, in with just a little amount of information as far as that raid. Because at the same time, I just don't want to get in the mindset. I see weed, it's gonna be a raid. I want to also train officers to be more in the investigatory kind of pattern and look for pattern and see is this guy's first time getting arrested. Is this a large amount of marijuana? What is their intent with it? What they're trying to do?
I did the math. I'm gonna be real, boys. I did the math. It's like 11 bags is a misdemeanor. Is just over. It just puts you under the felony.
Just under felony.
Yeah.
Right? Just under. So 12 would be over.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 60 probably I would grant a raid for that. Yeah.
5 times
60,
illegal.
60 is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. I mean, 5 or 6 times the felony amount is a chunk.
We found quite a few people now with a handful of them, right?
Yeah, a lot of folks have been walking around with a lot of baggies. I found a guy yesterday with 61. He was
involved in drug deals.
Well, he got lucky because when I got there, one of the Vagos members was going through his pocket, so I couldn't really prove that it was on him. It could have been easily planted. And that guy,
I'm just saying, I got sober and I never tried marijuana once before, but shit, I mean, I knew a lot of people that were stoners and frequent users. There was even one guy where y'all got mad at me back in the day because I didn't give him drug trafficking. I just gave him felony possession because I bought his story about being a consummate user, and he grew his own. And sure, he had a shit ton of dried bud and stuff in his apartment, but all he was ever caught with was, a bunch of joints on his person. So I could buy someone walking around with, 15, 20 joints if there's some kind of Snoop Daggy Dag or whatever it is.
Right, like
but
smoke. Yeah.
If you're rolling around with 60 baggies, that's kind of hard to make an argument that it's personal use.
Right, because it's packaged. It's in a bag. I mean,
yeah.
There's a lot of things you can articulate you can try and do with it instead of just puff puff.
Yep, that's how I look at it.
I don't want to move on from this conversation. Are we done with the marijuana thing? Because I have one more question for everybody here.
Sure. Go ahead.
The whole book situation, the journal with Harry Brown. You could talk to the judges about that, by the way.
Yeah, we're still kicking it around. I mean, it's a very niche thing. And it's especially interesting because I don't know how I'd policed it. Meaning, information the cops get is limited to use in court based on them proving where they got it from and what made it legitimate, right?
Right. Chain of custody and all that.
Hell, if I was a smart cop, I might, I might look through that book when I'm some stuff and just make a mental note, like, oh, Ramee's, Ramee's, into, will pay for play kind of thing.
Right now,
I might investigate Ramee,
Now let me pick your brain on that statement, right? Just taking a little peek, right? Okay. I'm not talking about the Harry Brown. My name wasn't in the Harry Brown. Never mind.
Yeah.
Just picking that statement up a little bit, taking a peek, right, and then be like, oh, well, all right, I'll keep that in mind. Is that under the statement that we can't take his, we can't remove it off of him, but we can open it and read it and then put it back on him, just as like a,
I don't know that. I'm saying these are the things we're talking about.
Okay. And then I guess
I'm saying these are the complicated things that kind of we're trying to figure out because, for example, if we were to say to the police, hey, you're not allowed to, open up people's books and read them, search instant lawful arrest because there's no,
correlation to the reason for the
purpose
arrest
or something, right? Or whatever. How is that even enforced? How is that even checked? I mean, there's a lot of issues there. So
yeah,
we're still kicking that around.
Okay.
Howdy.
Hello, Miss Wright.
Okay. Damn. Well, I guess I'll just tell Harry about it then. Let him know that there's still
Mayor!
the situation.
It's good to see you again.
It is good to see you.
Wait, is this the mayor?
Okay.
Mayor Wright.
Wait, she's a mayor right now?
Absolutely.
Yeah, she's interim
mayor.
Interim.
Oh, hey, what's going on?
Hello.
The hell? I didn't even know we had an interim mayor. What the fuck?
Yeah, she's low profile.
Nah, I feel you on that. Okay.
Going to snitch?
Oh, can I have your personal number though?
Why?
Well, if I have any questions, I can talk to you.
Okay.
Wait, serious? Fuck.
What?
The hell's your problem?
Whoa,
I don't have a
Ramee.
problem.
Show some
This
respect to the
city
mayor.
A little bit of
has a
respect.
problem. This economy had a problem. I'm here to fix the problem. Do you have a problem, sir?
What the fuck is wrong? No, nothing.
Language.
She hit her driver or something? What's going on?
She's always right.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, yeah, well, here's my number. Can you shoot me a text?
Maybe.
Okay.
Are you
She's
gonna
busy.
cry?
The fuck? What's she
Is
say?
it gonna be complaining? Is it gonna be like, oh, taxes are too high? I don't
Trust me, I know all about it, Mayor.
No,
Oh,
who?
God, I hear about this all the time.
Is that the kind of call I'm in for?
No, I don't do that stuff. I'm an attorney, the best one out there.
Okay, then I'll text you, I guess.
Yeah, that's what we have
What's
to
your
talk
name?
about, Ramee.
What? What do you mean?
We'll get there.
Oh my God, what's going on?
What's your name?
Ramee. Is this you? Hello?
What?
Your victory was noted.
Yo, I didn't get paid.
What?
Yeah,
The
I know.
wager was not completed?
No, it wasn't. I gotta call you back though.
We will handle this.
All right.
Dual Masters will take care
Please
of this.
do.
Thank
Please.
you,
Thank you.
Dark Magician Girl, and well played.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay,
Put
bye.
the phone to your ear. It's easier to
Of course.
hear. Why is he shouting at it?
Sorry, I'm okay. Yo, who is this? What's your name again?
Mayor, right?
The mayor?
Is this you who texted me question mark, question mark, question mark?
Yep.
Why didn't you text me your name? That's what a normal person would do. What is
You
it
didn't
called?
ask me
Mayor
to.
what? Mayor
Right.
right? R-I-G-H-T?
The mayor?
R-I-G-H-T?
No.
How do you pronounce it? Bro, can you just give me
Add a
your
W. Add a
Oh,
W.
Ramee, show some respect.
W-R-I-G-H-T? Oh, okay.
That's
No,
right.
no foul language, please, in front of the mayor and the Chief Justice.
Sorry,
Thank you.
guys. Yeah, no worries, guys. My bad. Okay,
Everything's
guys.
okay.
Okay, guys.
Everything's okay.
Yeah, everything's good, guys. Everything's good.
Leave some dirt on your forehead.
Okay. I will
Above
not.
your eyebrow.
Yo, somebody hold me back. Somebody.
Just letting you know.
I'm about to go breezy right now. Okay. No. Listen.
Crazy.
Okay. Listen. Can we? We're good here. I just need
I don't know what brazy
I'm
is
done.
either.
We're done here. How did this turn into me getting shit on? Can we just please?
Breezy is like that, like the fresh breeze. You know, he's trying
Hang
to
up your
turn-
phone, someone,
breeze in here?
please.
I don't see.
Ring, ring.
Oh,
My
I'm
window's
so
open.
sorry, Your Honor. I do apologize.
Okay, guys. I think we're good here. I'm ready to talk to Crane alone.
Yeah, I gotta. If Mayor, if you need to talk to the PD, feel free. I gotta talk to Ramee for a second. DOJ shit. Come on, Ramee.
Yeah, DOJ shit, gang. Go.